Good morning, students. Last class I have explained arithmetic progression. Once again, I repeat here. See here, arithmetic progression in short form it is called AP. You are already studied in the 10th class as arithmetic progression. Same concept I am repeating here, and it's a higher level problems as well as concept. Here, arithmetic progression is also named as arithmetic sequence also. So here arithmetic progression I am defining once again. It is a sequence of numbers such that difference between consecutive terms is constant. I repeat once again, difference between consecutive terms is constant, then it is called arithmetic progression. That is an plus 1 minus an equal to constant. Otherwise, I will take one example of sequence. See here, 1, 3, 5, 7. It is a odd number as well as sequence. Sequence means an arrangement of numbers in a definite order or particular order is said to be what? Sequence. Therefore, here I am taking odd number sequence. Here, the first number is called, first term called as A1. Here, second number call it as A2, third number call it as A3, and fourth number call it as A4. It means it is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and up to so on. Three dot indicates that up to its continued terms. Okay. Here, I am taking this condition as it is here. An plus 1 minus an written as it is here. Put n equal to the given condition an plus 1 minus an equal to constant here. A1 plus 1 is A2 minus A1. It means second term minus first term. It is 3 minus 1. It gives 2. Again, third term minus second term. 5 minus 3. It gives again 2. 7. It is fourth term minus third term. 7 minus 5. Again it gives 2. It means according to this example, state that always the difference between consecutive terms is constant. Here 2 is what? Constant. And this constant term same as the difference D. Therefore, the difference between consecutive term is constant means it is said to be an arithmetic progression as well as arithmetic sequence. It is a special type of rule. It follows a difference between two consecutive numbers. Okay. And also here the first term is called A and second term is called sum of first term as well as the difference term is totally called second term, and third term is called first term plus 2 into difference of term is called third term, same as a plus 3d, a plus 4d, a plus 5d up to so on. The nth term is a plus. In place of number we don't know, it is up to nth term order, it's before. See here, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Nth term means its previous term is n minus 1th term. Since nth term is equal to this number, therefore I am taking a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, the nth term is equal to what? A plus n minus 1 into d. That's why I am taking the formula n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d to calculate total number of terms. It means here an means nth term of a sequence. Here a means first term of a sequence, and n means number of terms, and d is called common differences. And also here the last term a plus n minus 1 d, it is called also L. L means what? Last term. Same as an equal to, or replace an by L, since an same as last term L. Also L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. You can take any one formula to find its nth term. And sum to n terms is here Sn equal to, already you know that sum to n terms, sum of series formula n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. Or you can write 2a as a plus n minus 1 into d. Here already we know that a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a plus n minus 1 into d is called L. Replace this a plus n minus 1 into d as L. It becomes Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus L. It is also called sum to n terms of the series. And one important note is that if you constant is add or subtract here, if you add or subtract to each term of AP, then the resulting sequence is also an AP. I will take one example. Here, if constant is added or subtracted to each term of AP, then the resulting sequence is what? Again, it is an AP. Suppose I will take even number term here 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. It is an arrangement of a definite order, then it is called sequence, and also it is in the form of arithmetic progression. Okay, since its common difference is 2, again these two terms between common difference is 2, again these two terms become common difference is 2. So what says the condition? If constant is added, first I will add this term by any number. Suppose I will take plus 2 adding to these numbers. Here 2 plus 2 it becomes 4. 4 plus 2 it becomes 6. Again 6 plus 2 it becomes 8. 8 plus 2 it becomes 10. Again check once again it is whether it is in the form of AP or not. Here the difference between 4 and 6 is 2, and the difference between 6 and 8 again it is 2, and the difference between 8 and 10 again it is 2. It shows that again the common difference is same. The consecutive numbers, the consecutive even numbers between common difference must be same, means it is called AP. Again it is in the form of AP. And subtracting same number to it. Suppose I am subtracting minus 1 to this term of AP. Here 2 minus 1 it becomes 1, and 4 minus 1 it becomes 3. Here 6 minus 1 it becomes 5, and 8 minus 1 it becomes 7, and so on. Check it whether it is in the form of arithmetic progression or not. Here the common difference between 1 and 3 is 2. It means 3 minus 1 is 2. And common difference between 5 and 3, again it is 2. It means the common difference between these two consecutive terms is 2. Again here 7 minus 5, again common difference is 2. It means if you adding or subtracting to any term of AP, then its resulting sequence is again a AP form. And the second note says that if constant is multiplying or dividing to each term of AP, the resulting sequence is also an AP. It means if you multiply or divide to any AP term, again the resulting sequence is in the form of AP. Suppose I am taking same example here, 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Here first I am multiplying any constant term to the example of even number sequences. Suppose I am multiplying 2 to these sequences, arithmetic sequences. So 2 into 2 it becomes 4, 4 into 2 it becomes 8. Next 6 into 2 it becomes 12, and 8 into 2 it becomes 16, and so on. Check whether it is in the form of AP or not. The first term is already we know that it is in the form of arithmetic progression. Since common difference between these two consecutive term and next two consecutive term is always same 2 2 2. Yes, it means it is in the form of arithmetic mean, arithmetic progression. And also here a common difference between these two, 8 minus 4, it is 4. And consecutive terms between 12 and 8, these two terms, again it is 4. And consecutive term between 16 and 12, again it is 4. It means this example shows that it is in the form of AP, since always the common difference between consecutive terms is same. It shows that if you multiply any constant term to any sequence of term, it gives again same term, means it shows that it is in the form of arithmetic progression. Again, last one, divide any constant term to given arithmetic progression. I am dividing these sequences to 2, dividing each term by 2. Here 2 divided by 2, it becomes 1. 4 divided by 2, it becomes 2. 6 divided by 2, it becomes 3. 8 divided by 2, it becomes 4, and so on. Check whether it is in the form of AP or not. So common difference between these two is 1. Here 2 minus 1. Here 3 minus 2. Again common difference is 1. Here 4 minus 3. Again common difference is 1. It means the difference between two consecutive numbers is always constant, means it is said to be an arithmetic progression. So clearly note number 1 and 2 state that or shows that if you add, subtract or multiply, divide, the arithmetic progression remains unchanged. Okay. Now I am solving some important few questions based on arithmetic progression. The first question is, find the sum of odd integers from 1 to 2001. Answer. Here what they are asking, find the sum of odd integers from number 1 to 2001. It means the sum of numbers from 1 plus 3 plus odd integers, means the odd integer is 1, 3, 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus up to so on odd 2001. Here I will write the odd integers from 1 to 2001 are I will write here odd integers 1 comma, next odd integer is 3 comma, next odd integer is 5 comma, next odd integer is 7 comma, up to so on. Last integer is 2001. Okay. Here I am taking the first number is called A. It means A equal to 1. The first term is what? A equal to, first term is called A equal to 1. And common difference D is equal to, common difference means the difference between two consecutive terms. It means second minus first. It means A2 minus A1 is equal to, it is the term of A2, it is the term of A1, or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. You can take any one consecutive term. Here I am taking 3 minus 1. Here common difference 3 minus 1 or 5 minus 3 or 7 minus 5. So common difference is 2. Next, we don't know how many number of terms. First, find the number of terms, and they are given last nth term. Here it is called nth term is 2001. Okay, we know that the nth number of term is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here already given the nth term is 2001. I am taking here nth term is 2001 it is, and a is called first term. First term value is 1 plus we don't know n, right, as it is, and the common difference is 2. Here 2001 as it is. Here the 1 RHS side 1, take LHS side, it becomes minus 1. It is equal to n into 2, it is 2n, and minus 1 into 2, it is minus 2. Okay. Now 2001 minus 1 is, it is 2000, and minus 2, take LHS side, it becomes plus 2 equal to 2n. It becomes 2000 plus 2, it is 2000, 2 is equal to 2n, or take 2 to LHS side, it divides. It means n is equal to 2002 divided by 2. It means n is equal to 2 into 1 is 1, and 0 0 as it is, and again 2 ones are 2 ones, it becomes 1. It means the number of terms is, the number of odd integers terms is 1001. Okay, so we know the number of terms is what? 1001. We have to find now Sn equal to, it means the sum of odd integer terms equal to. I will write here. Now already know the formula, sum of the nth term is n by 2 2a, Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so I want the sum, how much? Total odd integers of 1001. I am taking here the sum of 1001 term is equal to, here n means 1001 divided by 2, here 2 as it is, and again here first term is called 1. Here first term I am taking a equal to 1 plus n means 1001 minus 1, and common difference is 2 is there. I am taking 2. Okay, now 1001 divided by 2, here 2 is there, both the term contain. I am taking common, it means I am taking outside, 2 taken as outside. I am taking 2, inside it becomes 1 plus 1001 minus 1 is, it is 1000. Already 2 is taken as outside. Here both 2 cancel to each other. Now yes, 1001 term is equal to 1001 into, here 1000 plus 1, again it is 1001. So multiplication of these two terms is a simple trick. I will write here. First, these three terms I will write 100 as it is, and last three terms I will written here 001 as it is, and sum of these two. 1 plus 1, it is 2. It means the sum of 1001, it means odd integers value is 1002001. It is the required result. And the next question is, find the question number 2. Find the sum of all. Find the sum of all natural numbers. Numbers lying between 100 and 1000, comma, which are multiple of 5. I am taking here what they are given. Find the sum of all natural numbers. The natural numbers start from 1 to 3. Plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 is called natural numbers lying between what? 100 to 1000. Lying between 100 to 1000, but condition is there, which are multiple of what? 5. The line between 100 and between numbers 100 and 1000, which are multiple of 5 numbers, I will write here. The natural numbers lying between 100 and 1000 by multiplying by, which are multiplying by multiple of 5 are I will write here. So between numbers, not from 100, it is between means 100 next number is what? 105. It is the term multiple of 5. And the next number is 110. It is the second term value multiple of 5. And next term 115. It is the term multiple of 5 as a natural number, and so on. And last number before 1000, and which are multiple of 5 is 995 is the last number called AN, and it is called, first number is called A, and the common difference is second term minus first term. You can take any terms value, consecutive terms. 110 minus its before term 105 equal to 5, and we don't know how many number of terms lying between 100 to 105 to 995. We have to find first n value. Okay, now we know that the same formula apply here. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Already we know the value of nth term value is 995. I am taking here the last term value 995 equal to, here the first term value is 105. I am taking 105 as it is, plus n is there, we don't know n value, right as it is, and last the difference value is the difference between two consecutive numbers is what? 5 here. I am taking difference is 5, d value is 5. So now 995 as it is here, 105 also write as it is. N into 5, it is 5n minus 5. So now again 995 as it is here, 105 minus 5, it becomes 100 plus 5n. Okay. Now 100 RHS side to take LHS side, it becomes 995 minus 100 is equal to 5n. Here 995 minus 100 is 895. Reduce 100 to 995, it gives 895 equal to 5n. Therefore, n is equal to 895 divided by 5. Here 5 into 1 is 5 into 1s are and 5 sevens are, it is 35. It gives 179. Therefore, the number of terms is 179 natural numbers here between 105 to 995. Now we know the value of n. N equal to how much? 179 terms. Number of terms is 179. Therefore, we know the value of first term and common difference and number of terms. Now, we have to take sum of the terms of natural numbers. So, I am taking now Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here, number of terms is 179. The sum of 179th term is equal to, I am taking in place of n 179th term. So 179 term is equal to 179 divided by 2. Here 2 as it is. Already we know the value of A. A is 105. It means 105. 105 here plus. Here number of terms is 179 minus 1 and common difference is 5 is there. I am taking 5 here. The value of n 179. The value of first term is 105. The value of n is 179 and the value of common difference is 5. Simplify this one. 179 divided by 2 as it is and here 2 into 105, right, as it is again once, plus here 179 minus 1, it becomes 178 into 5. I am taking 2 here and 178 contain 2 as common. It means I am taking 2 to outside as a common. It becomes 179 divided by 2 into, I am taking these two terms containing 2 as a common. Inside term 2 taken as outside, remaining term is here 105. 105 as it is. And 178 divided by 2, it is 89. 178 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 8s are and it is 9s are. It means I am taking 2 common, means what left? Here 89 left inside into 5 right as it is. And now 2 cancelled. 179 here 105 plus here 5 into 9 is 45, 4 left. 5 into 8 is 40, 40 plus 4 is 44. 445. 89 into 5 is what? 445. 445 plus 5 is 450. 450 plus 100 is 179 into. So 105 plus 45, it is 550. Okay. Now multiply these two terms, you will get 98450 is the sum of 179th value. Multiply these two, 179 into 550. Thus, you can write the sum of 179th term is 98450 is the value of sum of all natural numbers lying between 100 and 1000, which are multiple of 5. And the next question is, I think it is a solved example. One it is example question. Example number, I think in textbook it is 4. In an AP, in an arithmetic progression, I am writing in the short form AP, arithmetic progression. If mth term is n and nth term is n where m is not equal to n, find the pth term. Pth term is the question. What they are given? In an AP, if mth term is n, here mth term is what? N is there. And here nth term is m is there here. M it is. Nth term is m, where m is not equal to n. We have to find pth term means we have to find a pth term is equal to how much? They are given. Yeah, already we know the general formula. It is called nth term. The general formula is a n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. It is called nth term formula. It is called nth term in generally. Same, the mth term can be written as am equal to, replace n by what? M. So am equal to a plus, in place of n I am taking m minus 1 into d. It is called mth term, and it is called nth term. And in place of m and n, we want pth term. Suppose I am writing generally pth term means here a plus p minus 1 into d is called pth term. In place of n, I am taking here m called mth term. Same in generally in place of n, then it is called nth term. And here p is there, therefore it is called pth term. So here only common is what? M, n, p. I am solving this one. Solution. Solution given. What they are given here? In an arithmetic progression, mth term is n. I am writing mth term. It means a m is equal to. In place of n, I am taking here. In place of n, I am taking here m. Here a plus. In place of m, I am writing general formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In place of n, I am taking m here. And same, in place of n, I am taking here again m minus 1 into d. Is means equal to n. Okay. So, give equation number. Equation number it is 1. It is the mth term. And similarly, what they are given, nth term is m. So nth term is a, nth term is equal to a plus, I am taking n minus 1 into d. So nth term is what? M. So m. I repeat once again here. In arithmetic progression, if mth term is n, it means the mth term is n and nth term is m. Okay. So by using these two equations, I am finding first the value of a and common difference d. Here, these two implies, take here, these two are plus sign is there and changing the sign minus, and it is also plus is there, take minus, change all signs, you will get one value of either common difference or a. It means first value. Here both a cancelled, a and a cancelled, here plus a minus a cancelled. What remain? Remain is m minus 1 into d, and second term negative sign is there, plus into minus, plus into minus, and remaining term, right? Remaining term is what? N minus 1 into d, and equal to n here minus into m minus m. Okay. Now multiply here. M into d, it is m into d, minus 1 into d, minus d, minus into n, minus n, minus into minus, plus 1 into d here. I am multiplying here. Minus d into n, minus n into d, minus into minus, plus 1 into d is equal to n minus m. Here negative sign of d and positive sign of d cancelled. What remain? M into d minus n into d equal to n minus m. It means both side d and d common is there. Take common d as outside. Inside term m minus n. Here m minus n is there. So here n minus m is there. Take negative sign. It becomes LHS side same term. It is m minus n. If you multiply negative to inside the term minus into m, it becomes minus m. Minus into minus, plus n. I am taking negative to outside. It forms m minus n. Same like LHS side. So now LHS side term m minus n and RHS side m minus n terms are same. So both terms cancel to each other. So common difference d is equal to minus 1 left. Therefore common difference value is minus 1. By using common difference or put a common difference to either first equation or second equation, you will get a value. It means first term value. And taking equation number 1 here, I will write once again equation number 1. Equation number 1 implies a plus m minus 1 into d equal to n is there, write n as it is. In the first equation, written as it is, use d value here. You will get first term value. So a as it is plus m minus 1 into, what is the value of common difference? Common difference value is minus 1. I am taking common difference as minus 1 equal to n as it is. Here a minus 1 into m is minus m, and minus 1 into minus 1, it becomes plus 1 is equal to n, and a is equal to, I want first term value, that's why A is equal to, take remaining term to RHS side. So minus m goes to RHS side, it becomes plus m, and plus n is there, right? Plus n, and plus 1 goes to RHS side, it becomes minus 1. It means the first term value A is equal to m plus n minus 1. So we know the value of the term first and the common difference. Now we have to find what they are asking, pth term. Pth term value I will find now. Okay. Here I will write pth term means, in place of n I am taking here nth term means a plus n minus 1 into d. Similarly same, the pth term is a pth term is equal to, same formula, in place of n replace n by what, p, a plus p minus 1 into d. In place of n I am taking p, since it is not nth term, it is a pth term, therefore in place of n I am taking p here and here. Okay, so a pth term is equal to, what is the value of a? Here a is equal to m plus n minus 1. I am taking here a value is m plus n minus 1 plus, and p minus 1, right, as it is p minus 1. What is the common difference value? Already we know the value of common difference, d equal to minus 1. D equal to minus 1. Okay. So a pth term is equal to, so first term as it is m plus n minus 1 as it is. Here multiply these two terms. Here p into minus 1 is minus p. P into minus 1 is minus p, and minus 1 into minus 1, it becomes plus 1. And here plus sign of 1 and minus sign of 1, those two terms cancel to each other. What remains? A pth term is equal to m plus n minus p left. It is the required result of pth term value. Okay. So next example is example number 5. Solve example 5th in your textbook. It is, if the sum of n terms of an AP is they are given condition n into capital P plus 1 by 2 n into n minus 1 into q, where capital P and capital Q are constants. So we have to find the common difference. I repeat once again. Here the question is, if the sum of n terms of an AP, they are given Sn condition. It means some condition they are given here. Some condition is what? It is some condition. Some condition is n into capital P plus 1 by 2 n into n minus 1 into capital Q is the sum condition they are given. And where P and Q is what? Some constant values. If you multiplying or dividing any term to AP, then the resulting sequence is again a AP already, you know that. What we have to find? Find the common difference. Common difference is called D. D equal to how much? So I will write given term once again. So here given the condition Sn is equal to, so already we know the term, sum of terms is called A1 plus A2 plus A3 up to so on plus AN. It is called sum. Either Sn equal to or these terms is equal to, they are given this condition. I am writing here, it is equal to n into capital P plus 1 by 2 n into n minus 1 into capital Q, they are given. Okay, give equation number 1. The given condition I am taking equation number 1. Here I want to find first term value as well as second term value. Since the difference between these two consecutive terms, it gives a common difference. So that's why first I will find the first term value as well as next second term value. So first term value means I am taking n equal to 1. It gives first term value. Put n equal to 1 implies yes, first term equal to the sum of the first term is equal to. So first term means we required to take only A1. Don't take remaining terms since we want only first term value. Therefore, the first term value is equal to, put in place of n 1, P is there, write P as it is, plus 1 by 2. Again in place of n I am taking 1. So 1 into 1 minus 1 into capital Q. Here, so S1 or A1 is equal to, first term is equal to 1 into P, and here 1 minus 1 it gives 0. If you multiply 0 to any number, it gives again a 0. Therefore, remaining term becomes what? 0. Therefore, here first term value is P. Similarly, I want to find second term value. The sum of second term value n equal to take 2 equal to sum of second term value equal to. See here clearly. Sum of second term means we have to take first term as well as second term. These two sum value. So I am taking sum of second term means take first term as well as second term. Suppose I want to find third term means the sum of three terms value A1 plus A2 plus as well as A3. So here A1 plus A2 is equal to, in place of n I am taking 2 and P as it is plus 1 by 2 as it is. Again in place of n I am taking 2, in place of n 2 minus 1 and Q, write Q as it is. Here sum of two terms is equal to A1 plus A2 is equal to, here 2P, write 2P as it is. These two cancel to each other. Here 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 into Q is, it is Q. So I am taking only sum of these two terms. I want to find A2, it means second term value. So take A1 to RHS side, 2P plus Q minus A1. So here A2 is equal to 2P plus Q. What is the value of A1? A1 value is P, right, as it is P as it is. Here second term value is 2P minus P. It becomes P and remain Q as it is. It means the second term value is P plus Q and first term value is P. So we want to find common difference D. Therefore, the common difference D says that always second term minus first term. The sum, the difference between consecutive terms is constant and its procedure is what? Second term minus first term. Here second term value is what? P plus Q. In place of A2 I am taking P plus Q, and here minus first term is what? P is there. Therefore, D is equal to here positive term of P and negative term of P get cancelled. Therefore, common difference is what? Q. So, the common difference is what? Q. It is the required term. Students, you can. Here, one of the student asking the doubt about last problem. I think example number 5. Here, the question is if the sum of n terms of an AP, they are given Sn condition here. They are given Sn is equal to np plus 1 by 2 n into n minus 1 into q. They are given some terms. Therefore, where p and q are what constant terms here, we have to find its common difference value d equal to how much. Okay. So I am taking the given term as it is. What they are given? Sn equal to Sn is equal to I am taking as it is. Sn equal to np plus 1 by 2 n into n minus 1 into q as it is. Here, sum of terms Sn is equal to in between what? Sum of terms first, second, third up to so on. An is called an Sn term. Okay. So that's why I'm writing here, right here A1, A2, A3 up to so on An. Either A1, A2, A3 term equal to or Sn equal to. You can take both term are same. So here we want to find the common difference means what? Second term minus first term. It gives a common difference value. So that's why here A2 minus A1 it gives a common difference. So that's why we need to find A1 value as well as A2 value. So first I want to find A1 means I am taking n equal to 1. Second, A2 value means I am taking n equal to 2. In the given condition, here n and n, I am taking n equal to 1 as well as 2. We get A1 value as well as A2 value. Then I am finding difference D equal to A2 minus A1. Here I am taking n equal to 1. Yes, first term equal to, it means sum of first term is equal to, in place of n and n I am taking 1. Same, yes, it is the first term value. Sum of first term means we have to take only first term. Sum of second term, it means yes, 3 equal to, suppose sum of 3 terms, it means A1 plus A2 plus A3 is called sum of third term value. So S4 means A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4, it is called sum of fourth term value. So here we want only first term value, means take A1 as it is single term. So A1 equal to, put in place of n equal to 1, 1, 1 here, in place of n 1, in place of n 1, and in place of n it is 1, minus 1 is there, write minus 1 into q. Here minus 1 plus 1 becomes what? 0 it is. So 1 minus 1 0, 0 multiplied to whole term, it becomes a 0. And here 1 into p is p, it means A1, the first term value is what? P. It means here its value is p. Now what required? A1 is completed, its value is p. What required next? A second term. Second term means we need to put n equal to 2 here. I am taking n equal to 2. Put here given condition yes, second term. It means sum of two terms value. Here first term as well as second term we take. First term as well as second term. Suppose sum of three terms means we have to take three terms value. Okay. The sum of two terms is equal to either S2 same as sum of two terms. Both are equal. Both are same. Equal to, in place of n I am taking 2, in place of nn I am taking 2 2. Here 2 2 cancelled. What remains? 2p, 2p as it is. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 into q is q. So here sum of first two terms equal to 2p plus q is there. So take A1 to, already we known value of A1. A1 equal to what? P. So that's why A1 taken as RHS side. So second term is equal to 2p, 2p as it is, q, q as it is. So A1 goes to RHS side, it becomes negative term of A1. So A2 equal to 2p as it is, q as it is. What is the value of A1 here? The first term value is p. So that's why in place of A1 I am taking p. So here plus 2p minus p. So it is 2p minus p is p, and q right as it is. It means the second term value is p plus q. So second term is p plus q, first term is p. So we want to find common difference d. D says that difference between two consecutive terms. Here we know the value of second term and first term, and these two difference is equal to common difference d. So that's why I am taking d equal to A2 minus A1. So A2 value is p plus q, written as it is, and minus is there, minus as it is. And what is the value of A1? First term is p is there. I am taking p as it is. Here positive term of p and negative term of p cancelled. What remain? Q left here. Right, q. It is called common difference and as well as a required result.